So I think I've got this thing running pretty square, if that's the right word. So the next step is to make another one of these brackets that I made before, but the bracket needs to have, that is 22mm, and the next one needs to have a 25mm. So I've got to take one of these and weld 6 legs on that. That is the job for today, which is obviously a fairly big one. Sweet. Yo, what's up? I've just got the old rotor. I say old because I want to design a new one, which is obviously what I'm trying to do now. I just hadn't had a good view of it upside down. So that is a 22mm shaft, and what we're doing now is 25mm. So I'll either need to remove these because they're 22mm, or make new ones with 25mm on, and then the 25mm shaft will sit like that, and that's how it works. So yeah, that's all good. One other thing I need to explain: these bearing hubs are actually 1 inch, and this shaft here, which was the drive shaft off the other turbine, that is actually 25mm, so there's a tiny bit of wobble. I've got this piece of 1 inch mild steel, which I've cleaned up some of the end. So for the purposes of using the gold bearings, this is what I'm going to use. So the 25mm will sit in bearings somewhere around the top of that, or I'll make new frames. What's up YouTube, Friday afternoon, and I've just got this beast for 20 quid. Can't believe it. It's an industrial blower, and when we turn it on, we get huge amounts of air. So I need some metal strips, so I'm going to cut this somehow and get some metal strips for use on the next stator holder device. So that's got this thing chopped from the scrap. So we basically have to do what we did before and create. First thing I need to do is enlarge that by a little bit to take the fresh 1 inch shaft, and then they just need to have the holes drilled in the end, approximately the right length, and then they're just going to get welded on. Ideally, I think it will be welded on like that with the collar on top. I've got a second one, so I can put one either end if need be, but that's the next big job. So yeah, that's all good.